Hi, my name is Susan Kim. I'm the chef and owner of Doshi, based out of Brooklyn, New York. And here's what's in my basket. The Sarah Kirsten Fermentation Croc. I believe she's based out of Oakland, California. I first got introduced to her items when I was a cook at Chez Panisse. I was very much drawn to how beautiful these were, but also the utility and the actual vessel being for fermentation. This particular size I really like. I think it's great for projects that you start at home. It's everything that you need for your krauts, your kimchi, and as far as taking up real estate in your kitchen, it's something that you're gonna probably be very happy to see every day as well. The Oabo bird's beak knife is always in my little toolbox. Price point wise, it's so affordable. I think it's about $14 here. I also love the fact that their logo is a little clog boot, which is on every one of their knives. And a bird's beak knife is useful for everything. You can use it for paring purposes. I especially love it to do some vegetable work. Okay, so the Nordic Ware quarter sheet tray. Obviously, it's a tray that you can roast vegetables on and get in and out of the oven, a chicken. But I just love having trays for organization purposes at home, even if it's not even cooking, like to put your pantry items on or your tools. A quarter sheet tray also is just a great size for me for all kinds of things. Sometimes I even flip it over and just like use it as a landing trivet. Queen's Tenjang is one of my favorite products from the dynamic duo that makes up Queens, Clara and Edo. They are behind this wonderful line of sauces, paste, and products. Tenjang is a staple within Korean pantry ingredients, and they make a very delicious one in terms of sourcing. They work with Bay Area local producers and farmers, and Tenjang is one of those items that you really can use it in anything. You can eat it raw out of the jar, mix it with different ingredients to make, say, samjang or a delicious marinade, endless dressings, vinaigrettes. Mac poultry shears. I like this size because it's just functional for all kinds of things besides poultry butchery, which you can absolutely use this for. But because I do a lot of sort of Korean-based cooking, for me, having a good pair of scissors, especially this size, is great for even cutting through kimchi or cutting through meat, greens for namur. And I think for me, when I think about Korean cooking, having a good pair of scissors is essential. This is a dashi packet that I got introduced to by Lisa, who works here, who actually introduces me to so many of the incredible products that come through. But this is definitely something that I didn't think that I would use a lot. You can use it as a base for making dashi or stock, but you can actually also open the contents of the packet and use it as a sprinkling of spices, a dredge mix for fried chicken. It just is a product that yields a very delicious, very quick, easy dashi. This rice bowl I haven't actually used, but I know I will use because the innovation and sort of the technology, if you will, behind it is pretty genius to me. In terms of how I was taught to wash rice is always in some sort of a bowl without any holes or ventilation, and you would just kind of catch the rice with your hands or using it like another different strainer. And what this has done is that the ventilation is within the bowl at an angle where you can simply wash and tip the rice so that all of the residual water is then released. This is the Gestura slotted spoon. I have their classic spoon, which I use all the time. And it's obvious or maybe somewhat cliche that cooks and chefs have a thing for spoons. I certainly do. This is the only one that I really love besides like some of the vintage ones that I used to play with, or even like a Kuhn spoon. It's aesthetically beautiful from what I understand, made from a former chef and cook. So the utility and actually the way that my hands feel when I hold the spoon, it feels very stable as well. It's a no-brainer in terms of how often I reach for this spoon. And it also makes me happy to see it. It's a beautiful spoon. It's a beautifully made spoon. The Dextra offset spat. I feel like I'm sharing a lot of things that are essential in my little toolbox or my knife roll, but this is one of them. The offset is something that I use to pick up some delicate items. I see myself reaching for it for so many things, plating or for actual cooking. And it's one of those things too that's small enough to just carry around with you. and affordable enough that you don't have to feel too precious about. Yeah, it's an essential tool for me. The Bruce Hill Chef's Press. This is the 13-ounce one. So this is something that you can use for steaks, for meats, skin on boned out chicken thighs that I was trying to crisp up, and putting this weight on it to help crisp up and render the skin. It's such a great item. It's always right by me where I keep my salt and pepper. And again, this is a product that was invented from a former chef. So I think they are really thinking about utility when they make these products, and this is something that you can use for anything you need. This Tinfish company I also got introduced to via Lisa. The Tinfish game at Bernal Cutlery is very strong. There is endless options, and in terms of the design, obviously that's one way that you sort of notice these products, and this is a particularly beautiful box, if you will, but the contents of it really surprised me because it was almost like in an emulsion. This is trout with olive oil and lemon, but it's sort of a creamy flavored tin fish. It's ready to go as soon as you open it. You don't really need to doctor it or mix it with anything, and it's just a beautiful, simple, ready to go tin fish. The scraper. So this is just like one of the many reasons why I love Bernal Cutlery. You can pick up beautiful gifts for yourself and for those that are lucky enough to receive the gifts. Basic things that I think make you a better cook, whether that's in your home or professionally, you can often find here. And I think the scraper is one of those items. I'm a fan of plastic scrapers to really just clean up and make your station or the area that you're cooking in as tight and organized as possible. It's a great way to also pick up items. If you are chopping an onion and you want to bring it into your saute pan, it's a great way to just literally scrape and use it as a scoop to bring the items to wherever you need to. This has been Susan from Doshi, and this is what's in my basket. Thanks for watching.